Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A73, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you want to open up your settings, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Options, erase all data, factory reset, which will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now here you can see that there's a couple of things that don't really matter, like things listed being Google accounts, system app data, and downloaded apps. Now the reason those don't really matter is because you can basically freely re-download them after the reset is completed. So Google accounts, just re-log into them, app data, re-download the apps, and hence that will also solve the last problem. Now the things that you should probably care about are things like music, photos, and user data, which obviously might be a little bit more cumbersome to regain in terms of like music. Photos, if you don't have a backup of them on the cloud, then obviously there's no way for you to regain them. And same goes for user data. If you create some kind of documents or stuff like that and you delete those, you need to recreate the documents. So hence, make sure that everything that you need is backed up. And once that is the case, you can then select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you will need to confirm it. And then select Erase All Data once again. Now the device will begin factory resetting itself, which will take a couple minutes. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.